In this video I will explain how to choose the right release agent and spraying system for your industrial bakery. The amount of sugar in your recipe is very important for choosing the right release agent. During the baking process, the sugar will caramelize, which increase the stickiness of your product and could cause the product to stick in the baking mold. To prevent this, more release power from your release agent is required. The release power is based on the share of wax and lecithin in the release agent. That's why we recommend to use a release agent with a higher share of wax and lecithin in it when the amount of sugar in the recipe is higher. For sponge cakes with approximately 15 to 30% sugar, we advise to use a release agent with about 2 or 3% wax. Normal cakes with 30 to 40% sugar require a release agent with about 3 till 4% wax. When baking sugar-rich products such as Brussels waffles, you should use a release agent with 5 or 6% wax. Do you need help to choose the right release agent and application method for your situation? Visit our website for more information and get in touch with us for personal advice from our release agent specialist.